Hi guys, Kuya Dudes here. Sa video na to, mag-solve tayo ng circuit using mesh analysis. So ito ang problem natin. Find the mesh currents I1, I2, and I3 for the circuit below. So ito ang circuit natin. As we can see, meron tayong 2 voltage source which is ang 7 volts, 6 volts, 1 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, and another 2 ohm and 1 ohm resistor. So, makikita din natin dito kung saan direction papunta ang hanapin nating mesh currents, which is ang I1, ang I2, at ang I3. So, gawa na tayo ng equation using KVL. So, let's compute loop 1 using KVL to find equation number 1. Sa loop 1, meron tayong 1 ohm resistor multiplied by considered current in I1 minus I2 plus 2 multiplied by I1 minus I3 plus 6 minus 7 equals 0. So let's simplify this. Magkakaroon tayo ng I1 minus I2 plus 2 I1 minus I2 I3 plus 6 minus 7 equals 0. Karoon tayo ng 3i1 minus i2 minus 2i3 equals 1. So ito na ang ating equation number 1. Let's proceed to loop 2 to find equation number 2. Sa loop 2 naman, meron tayong 2 ohm multiplied by i2 plus 3 multiplied by I2 minus I3 plus 1 multiplied by I2 minus I1 equals 0. So, let's simplify. Magkakaroon tayo ng 2I2 plus 3I2 minus 3I3 plus 1 plus I2 minus I1 equals 0. 2i1 plus 6i2 minus 3i3 equals 0. So ito na ang equation number 2 natin. Let's proceed to loop 3. Sa loop 3 naman, meron tayong 3 ohm multiplied by i2 minus i3 plus i1 multiplied by i3 plus 2 multiplied by i3 minus i1 minus 6 equals 0. Meron tayong i minus 3i3 plus i3 plus 2i3 minus 2i1 minus 6 equals 0. Tayong negative 2i1 minus 3i2 plus 6i3 equals 6. So ito na ang equation number 3 natin. Dahil meron na tayong tatlong equation, let's proceed to solve this using Cramer's rule. Let's solve this using Cramer's rule. dahil meron na tayo nito, let's proceed to I1. So, ito ang ating I1. Let's proceed to I2. So, ito naman ang ating I2. Let's proceed to I3. So, ito naman ang ating I3. So, nasolve na natin yung values ng current I1 which is 3 amp and current I2 which is 2 amp and last, the current I3 which is 3 amp. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you. I hope you learned something.